Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to generate a video using AI tool. Here you can go and type Visla AI. This one is the website that lets you create a video from the text, from the script, from the image. You can use multiple options to create any type of video. Click here sign up with Google and then select your Gmail account. After that allow access. And click here this button. Now you can type anything. For example, let me type here create a video for flying taxi. Then click here generate button and it has started working on it. After that click here generate video and here you can see 1 minute video is ready. I can play it. So this video have sounds that looks great.